Hey, I hadn't planned on filming today. I've been mowing pretty much all day. That's why I'm wearing this stupid hat. But I'm going to give a quick update, just kind of what the water situation is. And I replaced my drone that I crashed a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to see how it does. And I'm going to show you something too that I saw on the trail cam that I've never seen before, on one of my trail cams anyway. So let's take a look at the water situation here. I'm at plastic pipe. I haven't walked up there yet, but I can just tell from looking here, water level's way down. It did rain this week, but we really didn't get much runoff here. The bio has come up, but water pretty low here. Let me switch you around. So it's 1 week since the last video. I'm going to try and do these updates. I'm going to try and do something weekly, just to help keep a heartbeat in the channel. But look at how much they're almost got up to the halfway up the pipe here. So that's not good. I want to get that grate back out there so that they'll start building around that and stay away from the pipe. It seems to work. I just need people to quit pulling it out. I'm gonna try and get down there. I'm gonna put the grate up. Hopefully I don't slide in. I'm sure if that stuff's, it looks wet, so it'll be pretty slippery. See, it's starting to get down. As it goes down even further, I don't know if you look at videos a few years back, I think it was around August, it got down so low that we were actually, the only thing that had water left in it was just the Beaver's excavated channels at the bottom. I think actually could be better to go from this side. Okay. Then over here. Okay, I'll just use my little cheater piece over here. Okay, and let's see. This goes on for a while. It's not really anything too exciting. It's just me trying to clear some of the mud out of the way. Previously, I was using a Potensic Dreamer 4K Pro drone, and after flying it for 3 or 4 years, I finally crashed it and destroyed it. So I purchased a new one. This one is the Potensic Atom 2. I purchased this drone specifically because of its reviews on its camera. It's supposed to have one of the best cameras. I need a little bit more time flying and recording to really provide any good feedback as far as the quality, but so far right now I don't know that I really see much difference between the older model that I had. This drone is a little more smaller and more agile. They're hoping to be able to get some better aerial footage of some of these beaver dams and such in the future. For a few non-beaver nature items here. First, we've got this giant bird. These like to hang out in the ditches. I think they eat like minnows and things like that. Here we're looking at an old tree stump where we put a mineral block out for the deer. On this day, we had just put out a fresh block. This is what it looks like in the daytime. That area in the background is a spot where field runs off, and it's also a spot when the bio comes up, it will tend to flood up this way. Nothing too crazy, just a lot of deer. What I like to think of as one happy deer couple having a little lover's spat. That's going to do it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.